What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So, a few weeks ago, SoFi unveiled their new SoFi credit card, and I immediately jumped on that topic and did a review on the features that this card is supposed to offer and how it stacks up against similar cards in its category. And at the time, I thought that this card wouldn't be available until early 2021, but after waiting just 3 short days on the waitlist, I got an email that said I was eligible to apply, and after applying and being approved, I received this in the mail yesterday. So, since I was able to get this card a lot faster than expected, and there was so much interest in the first video, I thought today we could quickly unbox this card, if you can call it an unboxing, brush up on the features that it is going to offer, and most importantly, talk about how you can get your hands on this credit card as quickly as possible if you do want to apply for it. Since again, I wasn't expecting to get this card for several months. So, let's jump right into it. Alright, so again, we are going to brush up on the features that this card offers, but if you want a deep dive in everything that the new SoFi credit card is going to offer you, then definitely check out that video that I did a few weeks ago on my channel. And I'll also leave a link to that video up here and down in the description below if you do want to check out that full review, since we're not going to be going super in-depth in this video. However, just to recap really quickly, this card is going to give you 2% cashback on everything, and that's broken down into 1% when you purchase something, and then another 1% when you redeem that money into your SoFi account, whether that be a SoFi Money account, SoFi Invest, or even paying down a student loan through SoFi. Now, we talked about how this compares to similar 2% cards like the Citi Double Cash card, which is another very popular option right now. And I mentioned how I love that with the SoFi card, you're able to put this cash back directly into either your investments or even pay off debt, like I just mentioned. And the additional benefits that this card is going to offer over something like the Citi Double Cash card are going to be pretty substantial. For example, you're also going to have the World MasterCard benefits, which gives you a slew of different bonuses. Plus, you're also going to have no foreign transaction fee, and most importantly, this card comes with no annual fee. So again, if you do want a really in-depth look into everything that this card is going to offer, then definitely check out that full video. But let's get into the unboxing of sorts and take a look at what this card looks like and what it comes with. And then of course, we'll discuss how I was able to get it so quickly and how you can do the exact same thing. So your new credit card is going to come in a SoFi branded envelope. No one really cares about that, and inside is going to be what looks like a welcome card that says a credit card can help you get better with money, which again ties into the entire mission of SoFi, which is helping you get your money right, and this card is really another piece to that puzzle. So when you open up this welcome card, on the left hand side you'll see some text about the various benefits that you're going to get with this card, and it looks like you're also going to get a pretty sweet decal, if I do say so myself, and it says, "On a mission to achieve ambition." A bit cheesy perhaps, but I'll never turn down a free sticker, so I'm here for it. Then on the right hand side, what you've all been waiting for is going to be the credit card itself, which comes in this pretty cool looking SoFi blue color. Personally, I love this just because I have a SoFi Money account, and if you're getting this credit card, then you probably have a SoFi Money account as well. And if you do have that account, then you know that the debit card that comes with SoFi Money is white. So at least this blue color does contrast that nicely. And for those of you who are wondering why I care so much about what my credit card looks like, that's a very valid question, and honestly, I don't really have a good answer for you. There's just something satisfying to me about a really cool looking credit card, and my Discover It card, which you can see right here, definitely fits the bill in that regard. So on the front side of this credit card, you'll see the SoFi World Elite with the chip, and I do also want to mention that this is a contactless card, so you can just tap into the card reader and you are good to go, which has become more and more common, but definitely something that many competitors are still not offering. And just like the SoFi Money debit card, you're also going to be on the MasterCard network as well. Alright, so now that we've taken a look at the credit card itself, let's go ahead and activate it within the app and see what the interface is going to look like within the SoFi application. So when you launch the SoFi app, you'll notice that on the home page, you're going to now have a new tab labeled credit card. And when you click on that, it'll bring you to this credit card homepage. So first up at the top of the page, you have your credit balance, which is pretty self-explanatory. And under that, you're going to have your credit limit available. So as you can see, I accepted a pretty small line of credit for a number of reasons. One, because I have a very high line of credit with Discover on my Discover It card. And also, I usually don't make massive several $1,000 purchases anyways, and it's really just my regular everyday purchases, so I don't really need a huge line of credit. Now, I do want to mention that if this is your only credit card, then you will want that line of credit to be as high as possible, just because one of the factors when calculating your credit score is what's called your credit utilization, and that number is calculated by taking the amount of money that you have spent and dividing it by the total credit that is available to you. So without boring you with all of the math, basically basically when you have a higher credit limit available to you, it's going to lower your credit utilization, which ultimately is going to be good for your credit score. Again, in my case, I have larger lines of credit elsewhere, so I wasn't too concerned about a lower line of credit with SoFi, but that is definitely something to keep in mind when you go to apply for this SoFi credit card, or really any credit card for that matter. So before we take a look at the other features in the app, let's quickly activate my card since I haven't even done that yet because I literally just got it. So to do this, you're going to click on the More section all the way on the right, and at the top of the screen, you'll see Activate Now, and then you can just click Next, type in the 3 digits on the back of your card, the last 4 digits of your social security number, and then boom, you are activated and you're now earning 2% cash back on everything. Alright, so next you have a section called Points, and if you click on that, you'll see that I have currently earned only 35 points just by completing various tasks, even though I haven't even spent anything on this card yet. And these points are what you're going to use to get your cash back. So 1 point is worth 1 penny, and that is going to correctly translate to that 2% cash back when you decide to redeem those points into your SoFi Money account, SoFi Invest, or towards one of your SoFi loans. So it is going to use a 2 times multiplier when you go to redeem this money into one of those accounts, and that's what's going to bring you up to 2% cash back. So in my case, I only have 35 points right now because I haven't spent anything on this card since I just got it, but I would be able to cash this out for 70 whopping cents right into my SoFi Money account if I wanted to. But for every dollar you spend on this card, you're going to get 1 point, and then again, that's going to be multiplied by 2 when you redeem it into one of those accounts, and that's going to give you that 2% cash back. Also, under the Points tab, you can earn more points by completing different tasks and chat with customer service, and also see what points you have already earned by completing those different tasks. For example, they're going to give you 5 points each day just for opening the SoFi app, which translates to 10 cents. So that's hilarious that they're going to give you 10 cents just for opening the app, which is nothing, but the financial minimalist in me thinks that that is pretty awesome. So beyond that, that's pretty much it. And as usual, SoFi is pretty seamless and easy to set up, and I love the different ways that they incentivize you to not go out and spend like a maniac on this card, but use it wisely for your everyday purchases and then put that cash back to benefit things that are going to directly support your financial goals. So I know that this was a very different video than what we usually do here on the channel, so let me know what you thought of this unboxing style down in the comment section below, and what other credit cards you'd like to see me do reviews on in future videos. Also, if you do want to pick up the SoFi credit card, then you will probably want to have a SoFi Money account just so you can earn that 2% cash back. So if you do want to open a SoFi credit card or a SoFi Money account, then there is a link down in the description below that will give you $50 for free when you do open that account. So you're going to get a fantastic mobile bank, a credit card that is going to give you cash back and allow you to build your credit and get $50 for free while you're at it. So if you do see value in this, then definitely check out those links down below. As always, if you did enjoy today's video, it would mean a lot to me if you would hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who you think could enjoy this video as well. And as always, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.